Hi, this is Shiny here, and here I am to give you tips about PCOS because this is one of the most common problems, and a lot of people have been asking about how to reverse PCOS. So, in my 23 years of experience, what I've noticed is these are some of the main mistakes that I've noticed. One is not sleeping on time. So, it would be great if you can optimize your sleep hours and go to bed by at least 9:30 or 10 p.m. max, and that's going to really help in restoring balance to your hormones, and you will also not see any kind of sugar cravings. Okay, next thing is of course cutting down on sugar, because when you cut the invisible sugars, there's a lot of sugar, added sugar as well as invisible sugars. The moment you cut that out, you will see a amazing difference, especially the acne, the facial hair, and all of those things kind of settle down, and also the pigmentation clears beautifully. That's another important aspect. Next is also protein. Protein is very crucial. Making sure that you're getting adequate protein for snack time as well as for your main meals will be the game changer for you. Another most important factor is make sure that the protein comes from a plant source, okay, and not actually a dairy based protein source. So if you can focus on that, you will really see a big change. Another important factor is to pile up on a lot of vegetables. Vegetables, especially the ones which are not starchy. Okay, so if you could avoid potatoes, yam, colocasia and all of that. So anything that grows below the ground to be avoided, but then include a lot more of the vegetables that grow above the ground. Lesser the starch, the better for you. And the fifth important tip is not to overdo fruits, because if you're going to have a lot of fruit juices and fruit smoothies and add quite a lot of milk and milk products and all of that into it, that could be disastrous. So the best would be to eat whole fruits, and that to understand how much to take. Okay, so these are the most important tips that I could share with you. Hope you find this useful.